Hello guys, it's Cornell here. I'm going to take you guys over how to do my 15-minute technique strategy. Um, I only use it on Audi, the USD, and USD CHF just because of how consistent they are. Let me share my screen. Okay, so first of all, you want to start off with a blank template of the chart, right? So you go to Audi USD. We're going to go to the monthly first. Okay. All right, go to the monthly, and what we're going to do is we're going to mark out key areas on the monthly. Support and resistance lines. Right. The price is down here, so we don't have to worry about going any higher. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the 15 minute. Now the 15 minute is where we're going to find our trades, and you confirm your entry on the 1 minute and the 15 minute. As it gets closer towards the setup. So next, what you want to do is you want to mark out your days. Okay. So over here, the 30th, right? So we're on the 30th. Sunday, Monday. Right? On the Friday. Thursday. Wednesday. It may take some time to mark out your chart, but you see, I'm marking them down within the time zones, within each day in the market. Okay, so you see the 24th to 25th. These are when the days end and start in the market. Okay, so what I have, this is what my settings are on. It's just on regular UTC. Okay, and I'm going to continue to mark down these days. Now, once you have most of them marked out, all you're gonna have to do now is simple. Now it's just drag and drop. Simple. All you gotta do, click Control, and click on whatever you want to copy over and drag it. Okay. Some people don't like marking out their charts, but guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be very valuable, especially with this strategy. And the strategy is going to be very accurate, very high reward to risk ratio. Make sure these dates are correct. 27, Friday. Okay, now what I'm going to show you guys is that this is the concept I use, okay? Um, two basic things that you got to remember for every week in the market, okay? Especially with AUD, USD, and USD CHF. So within the week, they have a midweek reversal and a correction, okay? And why I like Australian dollar to US dollar so much is because I can kind of know how long to hold the sell or buy, and when just get in, when to get in the trade to the opposite direction. Usually at great timing. And again, stop losses around 10 pips mostly, for about 40, 50 pip moves at the least. So we'll check this out. So as you can see here, we had the midweek reversal on Sunday, the Monday, the Tuesday. So in order for it to be a midweek reversal, okay, so in order for it to be a midweek reversal, one day it has to go up and set a high, right? So it hit this high right here on Sunday and Monday, right? The next day, so after once the week starts, right, you're looking for the midweek reversal. So once it comes back down here and touches up here again, you want to set a sell limit. Okay, you want to set a sell limit on the next day. You'll never get the midweek reversal on the same day. Okay, so you'll have it hit a high on either Sunday to Monday and the Tuesday, or Tuesday and the Wednesday, or Wednesday and the Thursday. It never does the midweek reversal on Friday. Okay, so boom, it comes up here, and you know it has to go the opposite direction. That's why you call it midweek reversal. So it pops up, makes this high. As soon as it comes down here, guys, it looks like it's about to leave you, and people are getting sells. They're knocking people out of their sells. Okay, you set a sell limit up here at this high. Okay, so your stop loss on this move right here, literally like 3 pips. Okay, so then you ride this. The good thing about the Australian dollar, US dollar, is you can ride it for that whole day. Okay, so you got in that your sell activated on Tuesday. You can ride it all Tuesday. Okay, don't worry about it Tuesday. Ride it all Tuesday, but the next day, correction. There's a correction in the market. Okay, now this whole ride down here, 115 pips for a 3 pip stop loss. Okay, so again, ride it that whole day risk free, and that next day look to get out at some point. Okay, so Wednesday you look to get out at some point. But as you can see, the correction came at the end of Wednesday, right here. This is the correction point. Okay, so let me mark these areas out. Okay, so this is the midweek reversal, and I'm going to mark out the corrections for the ellipse. Okay, so Sunday to Monday to Tuesday, midweek reversal. All Tuesday you can hold it. Wednesday look to get out. Okay, so you have one day midweek reversal, and the second day you look to get out. And then as soon as you get out, the correction lasts the whole rest of the week, or until at least Friday. Okay, so you can ride that order in the opposite direction after that second day for the correction. Okay, so as you can see here, boom, you ride this. As soon as you get out of that sell for 120 pips, you ride this for at least a day into Friday. You know, a lot of people get out of trades. That's Friday. That's what I do. Boom, you're getting out right here with 60 pips at the end of the week, 57 pips. Okay, and you don't really need a big stop loss, because usually on these corrections they turn around real fast. You don't get too much, wicking and double bottoms. You'll see it just turn around really fast, as you can see here, and your stop loss less be 5 pips. 5 pips for a 50 pip move, which is ridiculous. So that week ends, right? Okay, so you made 160 pips that week, and that's if you were putting one order in, on each of them. Okay, so we go to the next week. We're looking for the next midweek reversal, right? Okay, you got it again, just Sunday, Monday, and a Tuesday, just like last week, right? So price is going to come down low and try to fake people out, and they're thinking they're going to take off in a sell. No, you put as soon as it comes down here, guys, and the next day's opening, or you see it around this area, put in a sell limit. Put in a sell limit right here at the previous day's high. Okay, put it in at the previous day's high, right? You put it in right here. And boom, it comes up and hits it. Soon as the next day starts, comes up and hits it. Stop loss need less be 5 pips. Then you got to sell all the way down. And you guys got to sell all the way down for how long? That whole day you got in that order, which is Tuesday, right? Tuesday, Wednesday look to get out because it's the next day. Wednesday look to get out. So how much pips was that? 95 pips. Okay, guys, 95 pips. And like I said, as soon as you get out of that order, on that next day, it's correction time. There's two things in the market: midweek reversal and correction. It's correction time. You can ride it. Boom, you ride it from as soon as you got out. Ride another 95 pips. Come on, guys, that's 180 pips already for the week. Okay, get out here once you see it start waking up and say get out. But even if you did stay in, you see it came back up there on Friday. It stayed up there on Friday. Okay, so got that marked out. Okay, so we have Sunday to Monday. We have Sunday to Monday move, and Sunday, Monday, and the Tuesday. Let's look for this midweek reversal. Wednesday and the Thursday. Okay, the midweek reversal came Wednesday to Thursday. So you guys, this is the key about being patient. I had took this trade last week, and what had happened was I thought this was the midweek reversal right here. I thought this area right here was the midweek reversal. It tricked me. Okay. So I had got in this move, rode this a good, good 45 pips. We're happy, and what I thought after that midweek reversal is, you're gonna ride it for that whole day. Okay. You can ride it for that whole day and then get out Thursday, right? It's gonna stay down here. No, it didn't happen, but you know why? This was not the midweek reversal. See, I jumped the gun. That's the key about being patient. If that move doesn't look, that move hasn't looked like all the past moves, has it? So don't go with what I got anxious on that one. So we got in this one and took that loss. So the midweek reversal actually came on Wednesday to Thursday, and that midweek reversal was massive. So that's the key about having 10 pip stop losses. If you took that trade down here, you have a 10 pip stop loss. The loss is minimal. You wait the week and then you see the midweek reversal Wednesday to Thursday. Okay, Wednesday to Thursday, write that down. All Thursday, get out Friday then, right? Wrote that down for about 88 pips, 89 pips. Okay, and then you're in a correction to the next week. All right. So that's Australian dollar to US dollar using the TechMex strategy. The geometrical part of it is, I can show you guys this with a few of these. Just triangles, wedges, different stuff of that nature. When I look for these moves, I might have something. I might have something like this drawn out. I might have a trend line coming down here. I might have a trend line coming down here on top of these candles. I might have a line coming like this, And once I know it breaks out in the opposite direction of this, outside of this triangle, I know it's coming back up here to hit this high. Okay, so what I used to do in the past, I used to catch this move right here. I would catch that buy into my sell limit, down into the sell for the whole rest of that day into the next day. Okay, so that's key. A lot of people want to take every M and W, every double top, double bottom they see, but in reality, you want to take the most profitable ones, and you want to stay out of the ones that could possibly be losers. Okay, look at this M down here; that could be a loser. You catch these midweek reversals; they come within 2 days. They never come in the same day. So Sunday to Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Now let's go to USD CHF, guys. USD CHF build out the chart the same way I just did it here, and the only difference with it is its midweek reversal lasts for longer than 1 day. It lasts 2 days, so you can actually hold it a little bit longer. Pretty upset. I missed this move today. I wasn't looking. Matter of fact, I just go to that chart. Sorry guys, I gotta take this off. Okay. So this is the same thing, guys. Let me clean this up a little bit. See, I draw PIPS out there a lot, just to catch a little pullback sometimes in the market and stuff like that. This was a 61.8 area I had drawn out that I knew once it broke through there, retest, catch that sell, and I had it drawn up for it, and I wasn't even looking. I didn't even look at the charts really too much today. I'm waiting for this Tuesday move. But same thing, guys. Same thing with this chart. Same thing with this chart. I already had this stuff drawn out on here. Instead of having to keep drawing it out, because I do this during the week. I watch my moves, whatever moves I get into. I'm always drawing. I keep it drawn. I back tested for a while. These strategies are consistent with these two pairs. Okay. So we start right here. So, like I said, guys, the only difference with USD CHF is that it holds for 2 days instead of just one. Okay, so as you can see, Tuesday, Sunday to Monday, and then Tuesday, you had your opportunity for the sell, right? Looks like the midweek reversal. You could have got in there and you were still good. Okay, still good this whole ride, right? But the actual midweek reversal came Tuesday, Wednesday, right? So you catch that Tuesday to Wednesday midweek reversal, right? So how long do you hold the midweek reversal? And usually I get into trades like this. I get into these trades because I usually put my entry like probably like 4 or 5 pips in front of the position I actually see it get into. You know, I want to make sure I get in the trade. Okay, so I'll put my stop loss at 10 pips, right? Sell limit here, about 5 pips or whatever below, right? Couple pips below. My sell limit there, boom, hits it, right? Just hits your order. No wicks up here. Your 10 pip stop loss is cool. Write it down Wednesday. You're safe all Wednesday, and you're safe Thursday. That's the difference. Friday you get out. So you got 2 days. You got Wednesday and Thursday, as opposed to if it was all the USD, you only have Wednesday and then Thursday you look to get out. Okay, so USD check, you have Wednesday and Thursday, and Friday you look to get out and catch that correction for the end of the week. Okay, so then you catch that sell down here. Okay, catch that sell down here for 90 pips with a 10 pip stop loss. Okay, and then you get, as soon as that finishes, you got an M right here. And you got a W right here. Okay, boom, you got a W, double bottom, boom, ride that right back up for the rest of the week. Okay, I get out at 90 pips. I would have got out before that. All right, so you usually got 180 pips there. And the next week starts. Okay, guys. Now next week starts Tuesday. It looks like you're about to get something, right? Wednesday, it looks like you're about to get something. No, but you see how it starts coming down here, guys. As soon as it hit on Tuesday, you already put your buy limit in, right? So as soon as it hit Tuesday down there, and you thought Wednesday was gonna come down here and hit it, you already have your buy limit in, right? Boom. Keep that buy limit in. All right. Keep that buy limit in. Look, you have a 5 pip stop loss. Get your entry in, right? Right there. Right here at the, if you put your entry right here, right? You don't want to put it at the wick because you're scared. You might not, your order might go, not might go in. But if you did put it at the wick, you hit exactly, okay? No drawback. And then what you're doing is you're just going to ride this up. So this happened on Thursday. Thursday, you're safe. Thursday, you're safe. Friday, you're safe. And Sunday to Monday, you'll look to get out, right? So you wrote that 150 pips, okay? 150 pips. 150 pips. And then Sunday to Monday, you look to get out. And you can just ride this down. You know, because just because you know it needs to correct itself. It has to, you know. So that's 60 pips. I would have got out 40, okay? So now you're looking for the next midweek reversal, right? Boom, comes up, hit this high. Think that's your sell limit. Nope, it's not. It went higher, right? Went higher, guys. So boom, you had your sell limit here. Okay. Put your sell at 10 pips, right? Guys, you came in profit. Came in profit. 36 pips. Put your stop loss in profit. Okay? Put your stop loss in profit. You came up in profit just now. Right? So comes up on Wednesday, hits a newer high. So, it has to be a mirror reversal on Thursday then, because it's not hitting this high, it just hit a new high. Right? Just sell limit right here. Right? Ten pips, 5 pips, whatever you want to put it at. Ride that down all Thursday. Friday, you ride it all down because you're safe all Friday also. Sunday to Monday, you look to get out. Right? So that's 125 pips, guys. Correction time. Correction time. Correcting from all Sunday to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday into the next midweek reversal. 130. 130. All week. Midweek reversal came. Midweek reversal comes, right? Boom. Thursday. Head and shoulders. It does this pattern also. All Australian dollar to US dollar does this pattern also. They do a slight head and shoulders so you guys can see it. This is a shoulder, okay? So look, it's a messed up shoulder, and this is a shoulder, right? And this is the head. right? So instead of making a midweek reversal because it was an awkward week, right? And you wrote that up. You came up 300 something pips on just UCHF in a couple of days, right? And you know that this move is coming up to hit you with a head and shoulders up top, you know? Boom. You hit one of your entries, right? You put one of your entries up here, you're good. It's just going to keep waking up here, but eventually it's going to drop down. It has to have a midweek reversal. So, guys, how long you ride it? All Thursday, Friday, get out Sunday, Monday. Boom. You would have got out on profit right on Sunday, Monday, right when it started to turn back up. So as soon as it started to turn back up, you saw that, you're up 70 pips, okay? Next week starts, right? Next week starts. Looking for the next midweek reversal, right? Boom. Tuesday comes. Wednesday comes. Waiting on it. You wouldn't have got in here because you see no high was made and retouched, right? It wasn't retouched, right? Wednesday to Thursday, retouched sell limit, right? You got your sell limit there. Boom, you're in. You see a little bit of profit. See a little bit of profit. All right, 25 pips. Staying there, waiting for the midweek reversal. We're waiting for it to reverse. It needs to reverse. Boom. The reversal comes on Thursday. Late Thursday, not early Thursday, late Thursday, right? Boom. Hits it one more time on Friday. Get out Sunday, Monday, right? So you're good all Thursday, you're good all Friday. Get out Sunday, Monday, that second day. Correction time, guys. So just because you dealt with that, right? But you know the strategy works. You can back test it. You back test it 70 pips, right? Friday. Boom. Ride this up to the next midweek reversal, which came on Tuesday, Wednesday. 90 pips, okay? Guys, it goes on. It's continuous. I could show you the geometry with this one too. Same thing as the other ones. You know, you just when you think you see a midweek reversal or something like that, you know, just draw your triangles out and try to catch the move. You know, catch it at the perfect time to know when it's gonna go hit that spot, so you can start, you know, watching, see how you want to maintain your orders if you want to put more, right? So you caught these. Yeah, thanks for tuning in with me. Once again, it's the 15-minute TechMate strategy. My name's Cornell, and I'm out of here.